Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your side hustle with Clubhouse, complete guide step by step clearly. First, download and install the Clubhouse app on your smartphone. Create your account and set up your profile. Make sure to include a clear profile picture and a concise bio that highlights your side hustle. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with its features and layout. Join rooms related to your niche or industry to find relevant discussions. Engage actively by listening and participating in conversations. Share your expertise in the rooms you join, but keep it concise. Network with other users by sending direct messages after engaging in discussions. Create your own room to discuss topics pertinent to your side hustle. Invite experts or influencers in your niche to co-host a room. Promote your room on other social media platforms to attract a larger audience. Utilize the back channel feature for private chats with potential collaborators. Attend regular rooms or clubs that align with your interests to build consistency. Take notes on valuable insights and strategies shared during discussions. Ask questions in rooms to clarify doubts and gain further knowledge. Consider offering free advice as a way to build credibility. Follow users whose content resonates with you and engage in their discussions. Join clubs within Clubhouse that focus on entrepreneurship or your specific side hustle. Utilize the insights gained from discussions to refine your business strategies. Collaborate with other Clubhouse users on projects or webinars. Encourage feedback from the Clubhouse community on your ideas. Continuously engage with your audience to build a loyal following. Review your progress periodically to assess the impact of Clubhouse on your side hustle. Adapt your strategies based on the interactions and connections you make. Stay updated on new features and trends within the Clubhouse app. Remain authentic and share your journey to connect with others deeply. Leverage the power of storytelling to make your side hustle relatable and engaging. Focus on building genuine relationships rather than purely transactional interactions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.